which transfer then
transfer the documents from one system to another system. ALE is a tool which will help to transfer the one system to another system. ALE is a tool which will help to transfer the documents from one system to another system. Over. So here example, the customer is using some system SAP. It can be non-SAP also. Customer is using, your customer is using some system and company is using SAP system. So we can transfer the document from one system to another system with the help of this tool, ALE, application linking and enabling. So once again, ALE stands for what? Application linking and enabling. And ALE is a tool which will have to transfer the document from one system to another system. ALE is a tool which will have to transfer the documents from one system to another system. Next. So here, now we'll discuss ALE is a tool, that is okay, but now we'll discuss ALE data for purchase. Now, in the interview they'll ask, what happens if I maintain this? All this information. This we call ALE data for purchase. What happens if I maintain ALE data for purchase order in sales order? That is a question. So take it as a question. What is the purpose of ALE data for purchase order? What is the purpose of ALE data for purchase? What is the purpose of ALE data for purchase? What is the purpose of ALE data for purchase? Negative. Take the answer. So like we have standard process in sales, inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, invoice. This is the standard process. Like standard process, we have some other process, third party process and IPO process. Before taking answer, try to do understand. Like standard process, we have some other process in sales, that is third party process and individual purchase order process. Individual purchase order process, bracket IPO process. We have third party process and IPO process. Third party process and IPO process. So some products we don't manufacture. Some products we don't manufacture. Some products we don't manufacture. But we sell to our customers. We sell to our customers, but we don't manufacture. In that case, we use third party process and IPO process, individual purchase order process. Shortcut we call IPO process. Now customer will place order to Balchem, but we don't manufacture. Then we send this order to vendor who will manufacture them. Some other person will manufacture the goods. We send this order to that person. Now that person will manufacture and deliver the goods to customer like that. So what is the total process we'll see later. Just take the notes. We have this process, third party process. Here customer place order. In third party process, when customer place order, system generates PR. System will generate PR. PR means purchase requisition. Then PR will be converted. PR will be converted to PO. So here customer place order. So in third party process, whenever customer place order, then system generates PR. PR means purchase requisition. And PR will be converted to PO. Purchase order. Now same in IPO process also. What is that process? That we'll discuss later. Just what is yearly data for purchase orders, that we'll discuss here. The process will come next. Now here
We
also
sell third party process.
order. If customer place order in IPO process also. Then system generates PR. Same, here also system generates PR. PR means purchase requisition. And PR will be converted to PO. PO means purchase order. So this is a normal process. But if you maintain this yearly data for purchase order, what is the purpose of yearly data for purchase order? If you maintain this, then while creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, system automatically generates PO. System automatically generates PO. So that is the result. Make it up. Take answer for this. So what is the question? What happens? What is the purpose of yearly data for purchase order? Make it up. While creating, take the answer. While creating sales order, in third party process and IPO process. While creating sales order in third party process and IPO process. System automatically generates PO. System automatically generates PO. Take this third party process, take this example. Individual purchase order process, take this example. Over.
Sir, hello, hello.
One second.
Sir, can you repeat the answer once again while creating sales order?
While creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, while creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, system automatically generates PO. See, normally when you create sales order in third party process and IPO process, first system generates PR and then PR will be manually converted to PO. But if you maintain this yearly data for purchase order, then while creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, system automatically generates PO. Just take the notes. Process we'll discuss later. Just what happens if I maintain yearly data for purchase order. Just take that note.
Sir, PO to whom, sir? PO to vendor.
Vendor. But all those we will come in process. Just notes, take the notes. What happens if I maintain yearly data for purchase order? While creating sales order in third party process and IPO process, the system automatically generates PO.
So can I ask the question, sir?
Okay. So this is about yearly data for purchase order. Now calendar, we'll discuss calendar. Next class we'll discuss calendar. We'll see how to define calendar. We define our own calendar. Next class, remind me. Okay. Now any doubts you can ask.
Hello, sir. Sir, in the rebate
Sir?
process, actually, so the discount is valid for only particular customers or everyone, sir?
Particular customer.
Okay. Okay. Sir, in third party process, if you create an order for purchase order, it will automatically create to purchase requisition, it will automatically create to purchase order, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, definition, could you please tell, sir?
Which definition?
The purchase order one, sir. In third party process, that thing I have missed.
In third party process, when you create sales order, in third party process and IPO process, while creating sales order, system automatically generates PO. Okay. Any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Sir, after saving total enterprises sector structure, can we make change in the name or any name or in other things in sales organization or in other division or distribution channel?
You can change names, you can change address, but you cannot change code.
Okay.
Other than code, you can change anything. Name, address, you can do any changes
Okay, sir.
except code.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
While implementing the project, sir, with customer, so on what basis we'll suggest the customer to create sales order, sales organization, no, at country level or zone level, like if anything we can suggest on the process
Customer,
or
we will not suggest. We will give you what are the how many sales organizations they need. That you have to define.
like on some strategy they will go, no, like sales org to create at this level or some strategy.
So that is what method estimation. How many offices your management will be available? How many offices or which offices you take strategic decisions? Now that information client will give. That we define it as sales order.
Sir, are you going to
Sir, can you please explain me the third-party process and individual purchase orders process?
Yes, yes. Later you will have. We'll have separate classes on that. Third party.
Okay, sir.
We
Sir,
don't
if
have
the
options
organization,
of
Yes.
sir, if the organization want to give rebate, then only want we should tick the box, sir. Otherwise,
Yes.
it will be empty.
Yes.
Okay.
so we don't have an option of two currency, sir. One Indian or one US, like both the currency options.
For reporting,
For detailed information in the screen, what we can see is statistic currency.
we have only
For
one
this,
option.
only one option.
Yes.
sir, what is this
Sir,
letterhead text? Sir, what is this letterhead text to fourth line text? That's the
That will
SDF.
that will discuss later.
Okay.
sir, actually, by mistake, yes, sister. Ask her.
Sir, can we check enterprise structure in ET01? If we found some structure is like not like indirectly we have done it. So
I did not get you. Sorry, I did not get that.
Okay, sir, I just have one question. So this is regarding, as you said, the statistic.
0.5, sir.
Sorry, one second. Hello. The strategic currency you are maintaining INR, and that's
Hello.
fine. And for the vendor, you have to pay in dollars. So is there any way how do we do that? It's just question out of curiosity.
See, you're asking future questions. So I just gave the definition of rebate. You're asking rebate process. Rebate is a separate concept.
No, no, I'm
Everyone,
not
please
asking.
try to understand. Please try to understand. We are just 1 week classes has been done. So we are asking future questions. How to settle rebate if it is in USD. All those will come in process.
Okay, okay,
You want me
okay.
to explain 1 or 2 days? How can you expect?
Okay. No, that's the reason I said I'm out of curiosity. I'm asking this
That
question.
is okay. But see, just I given definition. What is rebate? But how the rebate happens, how we settle rebates to customers, that this question is valid question. But you should ask when we discuss the rebate process.
Okay.
And no need to ask because in that process it will be covered.
Okay.
whatever the doubt you're asking, that will be covered when we discuss the process.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, in data for purchase order in ALE,